Namaste. I'm out here in nature, enjoying life. Been sick for a couple days, but I feel a lot better now. Figured I'd come reconnect with Mother Earth and enjoy my time. Been noticing a lot of things while being sick. I noticed that the mind's very unstable when it's polluted with a lot of sickness, when the body is polluted with a lot of sickness. It tries to spurt outwards to try and find more happiness. Because when it's sick, it feels like it needs more to get better. It's interesting. I've also been noticing that when I wake up, as soon as I wake up now, my mind just starts going crazy. It just starts doing its thing. Spitting out millions of moments and words and sounds all at one time. It's like watching a movie with headphones on full blast. Except you're watching about 100 movies at one time that are just sliced up together. And I just keep questioning, why does that happen? Why does that happen when I wake up? Because I know for a fact that's not what I am. I know that an unstable, continuous movement is not what I am. I've experienced complete stillness. Not even on a body level. Just actually being. So why do I keep saying that my body's me, my mind's me? I already know that I exist. I already know that my existence is not continuously moving. It's unmoving, unchanging. It's not the mind. The mind just continues flowing all the time. It's not stable. You can be having one discussion and change your mind within 2 minutes and not even know it. And you may not be paying attention to these kind of things. I may not be paying attention to it when I do it. But I end up knowing sometime or another. Usually you know when it happens. Exactly when it happens, you know. It doesn't come past you. It's just you choosing to acknowledge that's what happened or not. Take responsibility of it and say, hey, I just did that. But you're responding to yourself, letting yourself know that you're unstable all the time. The only thing that's really stable is something that's not changing, something that's not continuously trying to search for its source of happiness somewhere else. That's who you are. That's yourself, your consciousness. You don't need to find it somewhere else. You don't need to search for it anywhere else. You already know who you are all the time. You wake up every day and you say, I am. And you are. Never questioning who you are, what you're doing in this life. Never questioning your own states of mind. Doesn't make sense. Everything should be questioned all the time. Everything that we say, everything that we do should be questioned. Every feeling that we have should be questioned. There should be nothing that's not questioned. And any question that you have, the answer will come back to the same thing. It's not you. You are you. You are yourself. No one can tell you that. There's never been a sage that's realized another person. That person had to realize themselves. That person had to tell themselves what they are. They had to realize who they really are. So let's come to that understanding. Let's find it within ourselves to know the true understanding and not waste any time, ever. The more time we waste, the more deluded thoughts arise. Even if you tell yourself it's not what you want, you still do it. You should question that. Why? There's no reason. So you don't have to do it. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to wake up and do this body thing, this ego thing, this battling with yourself thing, trying to realize who you truly are. You don't have to do any of it. It's a facade. It's not really happening. You don't have to really find yourself. The facade is that you're trying to find something that you really are. Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense.